Hey folks, today I want to show you how you can use the 2021 year planner. Now you'll see here, I've got it on my iPad. It's a one-page 2021 year planner. Every single day of the year is on here. And I just want to talk you through how I choose to use it and how you might like to use it as well. Now you can download the printable one and as a PDF or the editable Google Sheet. Let me just share with you my iPad and let me talk you through it. So look up the top here, there's the links you can use to download it. Let me just highlight them for you. The editable sheet version is that one, and the PDF is available as well. So there's no opt-in for those, just go ahead and download them directly. Now, as you can see, all the months, all the days are on this calendar, and there's color coding down the bottom. Now, of course, on the editable one, you can change the colors if you like. But the way I like to do this is to make sure that all the important things are in the calendar right from the start. So what I do is I literally get my colors that match up to down the bottom here, and I match it up so that they're in the description down here. So this might be, for example, my workshops. So I write that down the bottom. Workshops. And then I plan them and map them into the calendar. So I might choose to run a workshop in late January and do them every month or so after that. So I might do them on Friday the 22nd and maybe the same time each month. So a monthly workshop or a monthly webinar into the calendar there. So that's the first bit. I would map them all in. You can color them or circle around the edge, whatever you see fit. And then those are all in. And then of course you've got different things you can map in as well. So if you are running, say, an in-person 2 or 3 day event, call it a 3-day event that you run with your clients, like I do, what you might do then, well, what you would do then, is pick the purple color and then map them into the calendar. So say, for example, we would run a 3-day event, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then draw it in, put a line around it, however you wish to do it. And that is in the calendar. Same deal, you might run it again in a few months' time. So what you can see here is that you can, at a glance, see everything that you've got on for the year. This is the sort of hand-drawn version that that I like to do. And of course, you can print that out or keep it on your computer. And so anything that goes in the calendar is what you need to do. So I do, say, like my weekly Q&A sessions for my coaching clients. So I would like to map that in as well. I do those on a Tuesday. So for me personally, that's what my calendar looks like. I'll go through and put a red circle or a red dot on each of those. And again, at a glance, you can see what you've got coming up for the year. Now you've got three more color codes you can choose from, but that is how I use the planner. And then if you wanted to use the editable electronic one, maybe once you've sketched it out and made sure there's enough room on the, enough buffer in the months and the years, then you can literally go to your electronic one and do exactly the same. You can just pick your colors and just do it as a spreadsheet. So you might go, okay, so the 15th of 15th of June, for example. As soon as it catches up, which it's not liking it at the moment, but you get the idea. You would just go ahead and use that editable version as well. So folks, that is how I like to use the planner, the editable version, or literally just the hand-drawn version as well. Totally up to you. Free downloads, super valuable to know exactly what you've got on for the year, all in one handy place. All right, hope that helps. We'll see you later.